It took me 560 days to get this channel monetized, and I recently asked my subscribers to guess how much they think I've earned, and it wasn't what the majority went for. So watch this full video to see how much I earned during my first month. So to give you a bit of a background, I actually uploaded my first video on the 20th of July in 2021, just about my first year on Amazon KDP and my experiences, the good and the bad. And it actually did quite well for me. I remember getting nearly 100 subscribers from that video alone, which was a really good start to my journey. And since then, I've uploaded more than 60 videos. And if you are new to my channel, I talk about self-publishing books through Amazon KDP and other ways of making money online. So you can check out my other videos and my journey so far. Now, making these videos has not been easy at all. If we were to divide the amount of days it took me to be monetized, 560, by the amount of videos I had when I was monetized, which was 58, it means that I was making videos roughly every 9.6 days. And some of you will think, yeah, 560 days is a long time. And for some people, it takes longer. Some people, they do it in a lot less time. And there were definitely things that I could have done to get there sooner, but everybody's journey is unique. Now, to get paid through YouTube, you need to monetize your content by joining the YouTube Partner Program. So firstly, you need to meet the eligibility requirements, and you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months to join the YouTube Partner Program. Then you need to set up an AdSense account, and AdSense is a program run by Google, and it just allows you to earn money from the ads on your YouTube videos. And then you'll need to link your YouTube account to your AdSense account in order to get paid. Then on top of that, you need to enable monetization on your videos to allow ads to be run so that you can earn money from your videos. So I was accepted onto the program and everything went through on the 31st of January. And I showed in my community tab that I actually earned $22.34 on that first day, which was actually an amazing start. And I was really looking forward to my first full month of February. So let's take a look at my stats for February, and you can see that I actually had over 83,000 views, which is amazing for a size of my channel. I had two videos that really blew up during the month of January and February, and they really pushed my channel forward, and that resulted in a watch time hours of 5,400. And it's fantastic to think that just two videos can really blow up your whole channel. And it's one of the things I really love about this platform, that you can be struggling for, in my case, 18 months, and then you can just create two videos and all of a sudden your channel just blows up. And it's not like you really need to rely on any particular person. Yes, the YouTube algorithm, it is a tough nut to crack, but if you can create quality, evergreen and trending content, then you've got all the chances in the world to get your channel monetized. Also, during February, I gained 2,100 subscribers. And I'm grateful to have all you new subscribers on board. And that's why I wanted to create this video, just to thank you for your support and just to show you the power of YouTube. And hopefully some of you will be inspired to start your own channel. Now, for the moment that you've been waiting for, so the amount that I earned for the month of February 2023 was $273.73. And I was really pleased with this amount. It's actually the most I've earned from the first month of any side hustle that I've started. But it can get a little bit tricky just to explain how this amount of money is earned on YouTube, as it does depend on many factors, including the number of views you get, the ad formats used, the type of content you create, and the audience that you attract as well. But the main metrics that I use to measure the amount of money earned from ads on YouTube is cost per mil and revenue per mil. And just to explain this, so CPM is the amount of money earned per 1,000 views of an ad, and it's calculated by dividing the total earnings from an ad by the number of ad impressions, and then you times that by 1,000. Then the RPM measures the estimated revenue per 1,000 video views, and it includes all the revenue from all sources, so including ads, channel memberships and YouTube Premium. So long story short, CPM is what the advertisers pay and RPM is what I get. Now, I'll go into what my specific numbers are for those a little bit later, but just taking a look at my highest day of the month, you'll actually see it's the 1st of February where I earned $29.95. Then I'd had a massive drop, which I was a little bit concerned about and I didn't really understand. And it really kind of just stayed consistent throughout the rest of the month, with the lowest day actually being on the 23rd of Feb where I earned $4.90. So just understand that your income will fluctuate throughout the month. So just be prepared for that. So taking a look at the rest of the data that YouTube provides, you can see to the far right that my RPM is actually $3.26 for the month of February. Now this is quite low for the kind of the niche that I'm in, which is making money online. And I did discuss this with a few other YouTube channels in my niche that were really helpful, and they did recommend that during your first month, your RPM is a little bit lower just while YouTube are trying to figure out your channel, but it should increase going forward. And it has increased quite a lot during the month of March. So I have already earned more than I've made during this month. Just viewing my top earning content for the month of February. So the two videos that really stood out have been the AI related content. So the first one is about how to create coloring books fast with Midjourney for Amazon KDP. And then the second one is how to create short stories fast with ChatGPT for Amazon KDP. So one of the things that is really trending right now is AI content. So if you can kind of create videos around AI content, then you should see a boost in the amount of views that you're getting, because people are trying to understand this stuff and how it affects their business and their lives. Then the third video was how I made 32,000 on Amazon KDP. The fourth was how to create composition notebooks with Midjourney for Amazon KDP. Then the fifth video is kind of a clickbait title where I talked about I stopped doing this and my Amazon KDP sales exploded. So to the left, it also shows a breakdown of how you make money. So as expected, the majority of this is from watch page ads, and this was $260.32. Then from YouTube Premium, I got 12 cents and $70. Then from fan funding, one of the viewers decided to give me $1 and YouTube takes a cut. So I got 70 cents from that, and I really appreciate that, because sometimes not everybody understands the time, effort and research and editing that it takes to put into these videos. So it's always nice when somebody gives something back. And the final earnings was from the short feed ads where I earned $0.002. Yes, this is a small amount, but this is definitely an area that's growing on YouTube, and I'm going to start making more shorts. Then we can also see how much advertisers pay during the month of February. So this is the CPM and it's $9.61. So compared to the RPM, and as I explained before, it's the cut that I get, which is $3.28. I think that YouTube usually recommends that the split is around 55 to 45%. So I'm just going to see how that goes over the next coming month, because my channel is still new and I'm guessing they're still trying to figure out things out. And then finally, we can take a look at the watch paid ads. And this just explains how different ads make money during the month. And it did kind of surprise me that skippable ads made the most during the month, whereas the non-skippable amount was only third. And these are all the different types of ads that you can put on your videos. So thanks for watching another video. Let me know if it was more or less than what you expected, and if there's any more content that you'd like to see going forward, let me know in the comments.